Affairs cause divorces, true or false? That statement is actually false. Most affairs, 2/3 of them, are worked through in a marriage. What causes an affair is a couple stops talking. They stop connecting. They stop being emotional. They stop feeling like they have each other's back. When big things happen where you'd normally go and talk to your partner, all of a sudden that's not the first person you talk to. You may feel lonely. You may feel withdrawn. These are the things that start the cycle of an affair. And then when an affair happens, many times it just happens without the other person thinking about it, spontaneous. Or if they do have thoughts about it, they tell themselves, well, I deserve this. She or he cut me off a long time ago. They're never around. They don't give me any attention. And that's how the affair continues. That's how the lies start. If you've had a partner or you're in a relationship where you have a partner who is having an affair, just know that the affair itself is not what destroyed the marriage. What destroyed the marriage is your partner, the person you loved and made a vow to, stopped being able to communicate with you. And you stopped being able to communicate with them. And then one of you made a terrible choice. Instead of focusing on the relationship and doing what you could do to salvage it, such as really going to counseling. If your partner didn't go with you, go with yourself. And trying to get into the things that would start healing it, one of you made a bad decision. And that bad decision was bringing another person in. It doesn't matter how innocently an affair starts. It can be the end of a relationship that was crippled or crippling long before the affair happened.